Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. I'm actually filming this on Boxing Day and this is going to go out this week, so I just want to say I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and best wishes for the new year. The reason I'm hopping on now, I usually take a break between Christmas and New Year and I don't blog or make any YouTube videos or anything, but this year I just wanted to show you my haul for the new mini catalogue that starts in January. I got most of my haul as my Christmas stroke birthday present because my birthday is a few weeks before Christmas, so I asked for things that I would actually be able to use, and so I got my stuff from Stampin Up, which is great because then I can use it rather than just sitting in the cupboard and going nowhere. So this is the mini catalogue. I can't yet show you the inner pages because it hasn't gone live yet till the 4th of January, but I can show you the cover. If you want a copy of this catalogue, then just leave me a comment below or go onto my website and click on the contact me button and send me a message and I will get one out to you ASAP. So let me show you what I got. So I'm going to start off with my stamp sets, and let's see, let's start off with stamp sets that had a matching die. So I got this one, which is called Dahlia Days, which is a lovely red rubber scent. I love dahlias, they're one of my favourite flowers. They're just lovely big blooms of colour, I absolutely adore them. But I really got it for this die, which I think is just amazing. And I'm really sorry about the glare. It's really difficult to control because the weather outside is absolutely atrocious. It is grey and overcast and starting to rain, and so I have to have all the lights on. So this is the die, and you've got those ones as well that cut out from the stamp set, so really cute. Now my favourite flower is a tulip, and there's 2 tulip stamps in this catalogue, so I am in 7th heaven. And here we have the first one called Tulip Fields, and when you see it in the catalogue itself, you'll see how this stamp here, these diagonals, can actually be used to create a huge field of tulips. But this here could also quite easily be used to create a tree of tulips, which I think would look absolutely gorgeous. It has a little windmill, so it has the matching dies. You can cut out everything here, but you can also cut out and make a little working windmill as well. And you've got the bike and everything, and as you know, I love cycling. I absolutely adore watching the professional cycling on the TV and everything, so this is really totally up my street, as you can tell. So there is another tulip one. Let me get that one out to show you next. This is Tulips. Lovely layering 2-step stamps, you know, that you can make up some lovely fonts as well and sentiments. Let today be the start of something new. And of course the matching dies. I love this border die here of tulips. I think it looks so cute. Then there's this one, Amazing Silhouettes. We actually got this free from convention back in November, so this was really good. And then it comes with these matching dies here, which are called the Amazing Thanks, and these are actually word dies that says you are amazing, thank you, and such like. And you've got the actual word, and then you've got the outer shadow as well. It'll make more sense when I do my cards with that, and you'll see. Then we've got daffodils, and I can't wait for the daffodils. I can't wait for flowers and for sun. Feels like it's been ages since we last saw the sun and had pretty flowers and such like. So you've got the lovely daffodils, and then these dies, and you've got a bazillion of them. And these ones here actually will make a 3D on your card, a really nice 3D daffodil, and they look really cool. And I can tell you now that in January Car Club we are using this to make daffodils. So if you want to use this, then do hop onto my website and have a look at Car Club. It happens online in my Facebook group, and I can tell you we're going to be using this set definitely in Car Club, so you'll be able to use that. I'll be doing all the die cutting for you, so you'll get all your pieces, everything's in the kit, and you just have to play along. So that's my stamps there. Next I'm going to show you some stamps with punches. We've got some lovely new punches. I love my punches. Look at little happy hedgehogs. Look at these little hedgehogs. Isn't he cute? I love hedgehogs. Never saw them really in London, but we've had a few here in Lincoln, because I think we're in such a little, not isolated, but a very quiet spot, you know, and there's a lot of trees, a lot of vegetation and hedges and such like, and they feel very safe. So we've seen some hedgehogs here, and you've got the matching punch, as I said. And then you've got this lovely ladybird punch, and of course the stamp set. Isn't it just the cutest? Look at that. So sweet. Really, really cute. And then some other stamps. We've got this background one called Timeless Tiles. And then we've got this one called Eden's Garden, which is really nice. I like the fonts here. And then you've got Blessings of Home. Now I've used this one already in a video. This is lovely. Really pretty to colour in, and a lot of fun. And then I've got this one called Best Delivery, and you've got the van here, and then you can attach to the back of the van these hearts or these balloons coming off the back, which I think is just such a cute, fun way to do it. And this is a great stamp set as well for slimline cards. Okay, what else have I got to show you? Oh yeah, I didn't always get the bundles. You know, if you get a punch and a die set together, or a punch rather than a stamp set, die and a punch. Start again. A stamp set and a punch, or a stamp set and a die set, you get them as a bundle and you get 10% off. I didn't always get the bundles if I didn't want one or other piece of it. And this is one of it. I just wanted the punch. So this is the bow punch. And then this is a cloud punch, which is really nice. And I'm sorry about all the glare. Okay, let me show you some other bits. Here we have these gorgeous dies, and these are the beautiful shapes dies, and these did have a matching stamp set, but I just wanted these shapes because I thought they'd be so useful to use. And then we've got some embossing folders, this new little mini one, stripes and splatters. This is a double embossing folder. You've got two of them. Then you've got the gingham one, and then you've got this hive one. So those are they. Okay, so that's all my stamps and dies. So now I'm just going to clear the decks, and I'm going to be back with all the other bits I got.